In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your garage door opener. This video will specifically cover the Chamberlain 953EV-P2. That's the model number. This is what it looks like. You won't need any special tools to get it done. It's very easy to do yourself at home. All you'll need is a CR2032 battery. You'll just need one of those. If you don't have one of these lying around, feel free to check the link in the description, which will take you right over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. Now to get this open, you can use the clip here. So first just pull the clip right out. And now there are two openings along the side of the key fob. You can see one right there and the other right there. Sorry, not the key fob, the garage door opener. You can use this clip to twist and pry this thing open, or if you don't have the clip, or if you prefer to just use a flathead screwdriver, you can do that as well. So just give it a twist. It will start to open up and then move over to the other opening and twist. And now you can just pull this apart. In here, we can also use the flathead or just your fingertips to gently pop this battery out of place. You can go ahead and dispose of your old battery. Make sure your new battery is a 2032, and make sure that when you're putting it in, the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing up. And you can see there's this C-shaped piece of metal. You'll first want to put it down under the two tabs on the left and then push down on the right side, and that will fit right into place. We can now just put this back together. So just line it up and squeeze. And now you can see the light is working. This should be good to go. You don't need to reprogram this. It will just work with your same garage door and the same settings that you had before. You can now slide the clip back in there. Mine doesn't want to go in. There we go. Just slide that back in there and you are finished. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, feel free to leave a like or comment. And I thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.